Hello guys, good evening. Myself Dilkush. So in this video we will talk about the passwordless SSH. Okay, we'll see what is passwordless SSH, what is the meaning of that, and how we can configure it, and also we will see how we can generate the SSH key in the Linux system. Okay, so let's get started. So first question is what is passwordless SSH? What is the meaning of that? So the passwordless SSH means whenever you try to log into the remote system, at that time what happens? Uh, it asks for password to log in into the remote system, right? Which generally happen. Let me show you also. If you do the SSH and the IP address of remote system, what is this IP? Yes, this one 192.168.130. So once you do the SSH, it asks for password, right? As you can see here. And when you provide this password for the root user, then after you can log into the remote system. That is a normal process which we follow every time, right? But here is the concept of passwordless SSH means if you configure the passwordless SSH, then during the login time, it will not ask for password to log in into the remote system. That is the concept of passwordless SSH. Okay, so let's see how we can configure it. So to configure the passwordless SSH, you have to generate the SSH key first, and then you have to copy that key into the remote server, that server which you want to log in. Okay, so in this case, let's assume that we have a Delhi server. As you can see in the left side, we can consider this server as a local server, and in the right side we have a server which is Mumbai server, and we can consider this server as a remote server. Okay, so now what I want to configure the SSH between this both between the servers. Okay, and we will try to log in to the Mumbai server from the Delhi server, and the password, it should not ask for password, right? So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, let me clear my screen. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to generate the SSH key. So to generate the SSH key, the command is SSH hyphen keygen. And once you type this command and hit enter, it is saying the password will be stored in this file, and this one id underscore rsa, and the path will be this one /root /.ssh. Okay, so just hit enter, and you can see that the password has been created. SSH key has been generated. Okay, so how we can verify that where this key has been generated? So as you can see in the above, the key has been generated in this path and in this file. Okay, so let's navigate to this path, cd, and this one, and if you do the ls-lrth here, so you can see that there are total 4 files. So out of 4, there are 2 files which stores the uh, what you say which stores the key, public and private key. Okay, this is the private key and this one is the public key .pub. Okay, so to configure the passwordless SSH, you have to copy this public key onto the remote server. Okay, so in my scenario, what we need to do, we need to copy this file from the Delhi server and copy it into the Mumbai server. Okay, so how we can do that? So there is a command SSH, copy, ID, and the IP address of remote server. So what is the IP address? 192.168.2.30. Okay, this one, and hit enter. It is asking for password because this is the first time, and we are copying this file into the remote system. That is why it is asking for password. Once you copy that file in the remote system, then after you can log in without the password. Okay, so let me copy this one. So you can see that number of key added one. That means one key has been added into the remote system. Okay, so now let's verify that whether we can do the SSH without password or not. So how we can do that? So we will simply do the SSH root @ and the IP address of remote server 192.168.2.30. Okay, and this time it should not ask for password to login. Let's see what happens. Once you hit enter, you can see that this time it is not asking for password, and we are now successfully logged into the Mumbai server, right? So this is the concept of passwordless SSH. Okay, so let's exit from here. So this is the overall concept of passwordless SSH. So in this video we saw how we can, what is the passwordless SSH and how we can configure it, and also we saw how we can generate the SSH key. Okay, so alright guys, for today's video I think that's all. We will see in the next video with a new chapter. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and please do like and subscribe. Thanks guys, have a nice day. Bye.